Chicken!
Yeehaw!
Help me!
But I love chickens, Eddie!
Hello, Ed boys.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Rolf is not amused.
You're enjoying this, aren't you?
Eddie, must you be so rough?
Hey!
Do not fool Rolf. Everybody now. Any doors, yeah?
I love chickens, Eddie!
Ha!
Eddie,
What? And ruin all this frustration? Get it on!
Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Not to mention a duck.
Huh?
Ed.
Why?
Say the magic word.
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me! What?
Holy mackerel.
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
I ain't touching that.
All that hard work.